Yo! So I'm going to put this part of the video at the start because I think it's important. Firstly, a massive thank you to Leander for inviting me to this event. The first time I met him was actually when he extended me an invite to the cruise. Honestly, I can't wait to have more of him and his Evo 7 on the channel. Secondly, a massive thank you to Ray and anyone else who helped organize and run the event. I wasn't able to get Ray on camera, but I did have a chat with him, and I was stoked to hear that our philosophies aligned. I built Gutter Ash upon the foundation of passion, inclusivity, and accessibility, which is to the crux of it. If you're a decent person, you have a passion for cars, and you have the ability to respect everyone else and their efforts, then you're in. So it was awesome to kind of see that that's the philosophy that Ray was following. He facilitated one of the best cruises I've ever been to, and he took it that step further by making sure everyone was fed and hydrated, regardless of whether they were his friends or complete strangers like myself. What he did was he created a bit of a safe space in which everyone could enjoy their passion for the day in a safe and responsible fashion, and everyone was just so respectful and positive and proud of their work, but in a way that also uplifted others, and I just find that truly incredible. That's what the car community needs more of. So with all that being said, let's move on to the video. Yo, what is up guys? Today I'm with a new face on the channel, Leander, in his Evo 7, and we're heading up to Marysville and Mount Donabuang for a bit of a rip through the twisties. Just kind of celebrating making it through lockdown. I hope I make a few friends today, and I hope I come away with an awesome experience. How good does that sound?
I know.
Yeah. You don't need to know much about cars to know that sounds good. Yo, so this is Talon. Nice to meet you, Talon.
You too.
What bags are you running in?
LF3P management and strokes.
Okay, nice.
Yeah.
How do you find it, the E-Frames? Is it hard to handle?
It's a little bit hard.
It is, I can imagine. And what are you running, like, performance-wise?
Mishimoto intake, R400 NVIDIA exhaust, and GFB response.
That's so cool. I love it, man. I reckon it's a noise that attracts crowds. At a meet, you hear something airing out, and everyone just like looks at it. Looks awesome, man. So what have you done to it?
I've got an RB26 head and a 25 bottom.
Right.
Chasing a 30 bottom soon.
Okay.
Stroked it to 2.7 litre.
Fuck.
Yeah, so pushing 420 kilowatt.
It's fucking ridiculous, bro. It's so clean.
It's doing alright. It goes alright.
So good.
It's all money though.
Yeah, that's what it is. Puts a smile on your face, though, right?
It
Fuck,
does.
dude,
It does
that's
its
what
job.
it's about.
But it's an expensive smile.
It is. Nice to meet you, dude.
bro.
two randoms, and that's fun. Like, that's what the car community's about. Just see another modified car and street shark them. Holy fucking no way! Oh, I wish I got that. Jesus Christ! Dude, what? I screwed up the camera work on that because I was so shocked at how fast he went. Insane! Oh god, dude!
Oh, tell me you got that!
I did.
Hell yeah!
He lit those up. Damn. We're just cruising, right? And then there's a Mercedes in the opposite lane in limp mode, the hazards on and everything, crawling at like 10k an hour. And we slowly drive past them, and it's none other than fucking Shane Warne. Just he was like spitting out the window or something.
Yeah, he's looking.
What a dude. Give us a muzz, Leander. Give us a muzz.
Bro, don't even. Yeah, Johnny put on a show for you, bro.
Oh, there he is.
We'll be on that town like 5 minutes.
Here we are, just a massive park up with all these sick cars.
And then we'll move up, move out, and then we'll do the whole thing.
Then we'll do a Honda spin. Yeah, that's good.
I genuinely wonder what he's done to that. Being decked. But that is a Honda done right. What a day. These cars are on a whole new level compared to what I've experienced before. Just the feeling of boost, the noises, the drama. It's really visceral, especially in a car like this. And you know, chasing this Honda in front of us with puffing smoke and banging limiter, but like the way that thing hooks, yeah, it's unreal.
Everyone's like taking really good pride in their vehicles, you know.
Yeah.
Top notch, and the run was psycho. The run was really crazy.
Yeah, that was mad.
Yeah, we had a little moment back there.
Yeah, we
but-
did have a moment. Missed it on camera, but that's fine.
Yeah.
Leander corrected it like spot on. I don't know how you saved us, but
Yeah.
you did. Especially in an all-wheel drive. So well done. What did you think of the Evo's performance today?
Definitely held up. We're keeping up with tuned cars, so you know, maybe that's just more driver skill. But
Yeah, boy. And that's a wrap. I hope you guys enjoyed that. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll catch you on the next one.